What is facility maintenance job description? The facilities maintenance technician is responsible for performing routine building maintenance tasks. Performance of building maintenance tasks in one or more fields, for example carpentry, electrical, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, plumbing, etc. Performs general cleaning and other tasks as assigned. How much does facilities maintenance make? The national average salary for a facilities maintenance technician is $39,995 in United States. Filter by location to see facilities maintenance technician salaries in your area. Salary estimates are based on 9,078 salaries submitted anonymously to Glassdoor by facilities maintenance technician employees. How do you maintain a facility? Here are 5 ways facilities managers can ensure that their buildings are running clean and green. Train everyone on sustainability principles and methods, monitor asset performance, embrace preventive maintenance, think smart, choose environmentally responsible materials. What are examples of facilities? The definition of a facility is a building or room which was created to serve a specific purpose or is the ease of doing something. An example of a facility is a gym. An example of facility is the ability to accomplish many tasks in a timely and efficient manner. What is a facilities manager's responsibilities? Planning and coordinating all installations and refurbishments. Managing the upkeep of equipment and supplies to meet health and safety standards. Inspecting building structures to determine the need for repairs or renovations. What are general maintenance duties? Inspects and identifies equipment or machines in need of repair. Troubleshoots issues to determine necessary repairs. Plans repair work using buildings blueprints or equipment manual as needed. Performs general repairs that do not require a specialized technician. What does facilities maintenance mean? Facilities maintenance, service requests, and projects overview. Definition of facilities maintenance. Maintenance activities include keeping spaces, structures and infrastructure in proper operating condition in a routine, scheduled, or anticipated fashion to prevent failure and/or degradation. What makes good facilities manager? A great facility manager is an excellent listener and communicator, to create and enhance great company cultures and facilities that reinforce a company's strategic goals. A great facility manager must be a great listener and be able to empathize with and understand the people who use the facilities and services. How can we improve facility maintenance? 6 ways to improve facility management operations. Upgrade assets and equipment, keep facilities clean, involve key stakeholders, evolve waste and recycling operations, evaluate your waste hauler schedule, optimize your equipment.